Everyone, welcome back. Today we are checking out Odomos Mosquito Repellent Cream. So let's get started. This one is a Dabur product, 50-gram tube with the MRP of 65 and 2 years is the shelf life. The cream is white in color with a medium texture and it's non-sticky, blends well into the skin. So this is DBA based mosquito repellent. It disrupts the human scent that attract mosquitoes so they can't detect us at all. How can they bite us then? Okay, you apply this to exposed skin where mosquitoes bite the most, like hand, feet, or neck, and don't apply it near eyes, lips, and mouth. It's a non-sticky cream. Actually, it feels like a moisturizer, and the fragrance is amazing. Not like the old Odomos at all. It smells fantastic, and it's safe on skin even for infants and children, babies. And this product is actually better than Odomos spray. The pack claim that it lasts up to 8 hours, but comfortably the effect stays for 2 to 3 hours. After applying it, mosquitoes won't bite at all. So whenever you are sending kids out to play, make sure you apply Odomos first and they can easily play for 2-3 hours. So that's all for this video. Hope you find the video useful. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.